Karthik from Andhra Pradesh, India, and we are presenting a skit of Lazy Boys Realization. Hope you enjoy it.
Karthi, wake up. It's getting too late, ma.
Mom, it's lockdown, Mom. Please, Mom. I want to enjoy it. Leave me.
Karthi, go and study. You are having online exam tomorrow.
I know, Mom, and I will do it later. Please.
Karthi, make it fast and go for study.
Ma, 5 minutes, Ma. I'm eating now. Every time study, study. Not even into, not even see TV. See, every time study, study. Oh, sorry, Abhi. I have an exam. I forgot to study. No, you can't play with me. Country, village, and area outside the town, outside the town, outside the town, outside the town. Actually, oh God, few more meanings are left. Affectionately, lovingly, showing care, feelings and love.
Karthi, hurry up. You got a message to attend the exam.
Oh God, I didn't prepare the lesson. Cha, I even didn't listen to my mom. Cha. Oh, the exam had started. Information. Karthi, roll number 21. The first question. Opposite of beauty. Beauty. Ugly, I got this answer. Next question is meaning of country. What's the meaning of country? What's the meaning of country? What's the meaning of country? I think village. Now what's this? I didn't get in the answer. Oh shit, the time had completed. Cha. Now what should I answer to my mom and the sir? Cha. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Karthi. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay, fine. What about yesterday's exam, Karthi? How did you write?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay. Just note down your marks, Karthi.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Karthi.
Yes, ma'am.
How did you expect how many marks, Karthi?
Above 60, ma'am.
Okay. But I'm also worried about your marks this time, Karthi. Okay? Just note down and show it to your parents and make a signature of them. Okay?
ma'am.
35 only this time. And make sure don't repeat this for another. Okay, Karthi?
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Ma! Ma!
Karthi, what happened, Nana? Why you are crying?
Sorry, ma. I didn't listen to your words. I failed in the exam.
No problem, Nana. You can do your level best now. Don't repeat this. Okay?
Thank you, ma, for supporting me. And I will never do this. And I will make you happy.
Be strong, Nana.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, sir. In this kit, I realized my mom's struggle. And it's not a new thing. It happens in every home. And I'm happy to do a skit with my mom. Hope you all enjoy this.
Hi, welcome. Um,
Yeah, this is what the doctor will do. Say welcome and keep quiet.
I'm like.
She is a depression patient. She will not speak. It is the psychologist's job to make them to come out of their problems and then talk to you. Aparna is acting fantastic.
So I know about her problems before she tells me.
Somebody will refer. No, you would have taken an appointment and talk. Otherwise, would somebody will ask you just like that to call? And what is your job? Your job is this only. So definitely the patient who comes will be with of that problem. Okay.
I understand that.
See, let the patient do not come to you and ask you, doctor, what happened to you? Are you in depression? And then prescribe medicine, something else to doctor and then go. That is also possible. Aparna, you can do that probably. Doctor, what happened to you? I thought I am in depression. Now you are in more depression. It's like there is a fire and you want to collect some water. When you went there to collect water, you got into flood and you died.
We could laugh later about.
Sorry, but you're not audible. Can you speak more louder?
Yeah, that is what a patient to do to doctor. Doctor, you are not audible. You speak loud. I am in depression. This will be the last discussion. I will not come to you at all. You will have to make it a video and then put it to me. If you want, this is the last chance for you to interact with me.
Yeah. Okay. What seems to be concerning you mostly?
I don't know. Sometimes I just feel lonely. Like though I know that everyone is supporting me, I just feel lonely. I feel like nobody cares about me. I don't know. I just feel I am not, worth of being noticed.
Is there any point where this feeling started?
I think it started at my teenage years because everyone in school thinks to care about everything. They just want to be perfect. And sometimes I just feel like I'm not a perfect person. I have some, things that I need to improve, and yet I'm not able to.
Have you tried stopping going near things that provokes you to feel like that?
I'm sorry, I was not able to hear that. Pardon?
Have you tried not going towards things that makes you sad?
Like how can I miss school? School is one of the main places. I know school has many good.
Have you talked to anyone else about this?
No, not really.
Okay, wait. Now,
Okay,
Harini is a psychiatrist. How Aparna goes to Rida then?
The Sri Lakshmi has suggested that Harini may give me tablet and then that won't do any cure, but instead we bring negative effects.
But both are doctors, right? For depression, everybody goes only to psychology doctors, nobody else. Other pain, normal doctors are fine. Then we should do that. Rida also refers to Pallavi. Harini also refers to Pallavi. So Aparna is not going to Rida at all, because you cannot have, when you go to a psychology doctor, you don't go to a normal physician. Normal physicians are medicine. Psychology is a different branch. So you know that the pain is because of psychology. See, that is a good thing, because somebody has pain, they don't understand it is because of this, but there is somebody who understands it is because of that, they go to psychologist. Or maybe Sri Lakshmi is the another patient. Who goes to Rida?
Yes, sir. First I go to Rishika and then to Rida.
Why Rishika? Oh, that advertisement.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us fix that Rida has two patients, one Sion and Sri Lakshmi. Okay, your Sri Lakshmi's interaction with Rida. That's what I want. Start. Harini can mute. Rida can unmute.
You're Sri Lakshmi, right?
Yes, doctor.
So, when did your pain start?
I have a lot of work in my office and it is like day to night work and I don't get time to take rest. And I've tried a lot of medicines to cure it, but still it does not cure me.
So, how many hours do you work in a day?
I work more than 10 hours.
Oh, that's such a long time. You shouldn't work for such long hours because it might be strain to your eyes also. I'll prescribe you medicine.
Dr.
and
Rida.
You can go.
Sri Lakshmi already
Yes.
said I was taking lot of medicines. Any doctor first listen the word medicine. That is the word they will catch. They will ask you. You are not becoming a doctor now. Immediately the question will be, where did you get this medicine?
What medicine?
Who prescribed you? What is the medicine?
So, Sri Lakshmi, what medicine did you take for?
And who prescribed it? Immediately that is the question. Because no doctor believes that somebody takes medicine without a prescription. And then Rida gets a chance to thrash upon Rishika. Yeah.
Sir, just a minute. Sir, can I talk with Rishika just once?
Yeah.
Sir, I'll go to Rishika by the poster or it's some advertisement on my phone.
That you can decide. You
Or
have seen
How
something.
do I connect with her?
Maybe a WhatsApp can come. WhatsApp can be, you can read a WhatsApp and then immediately dial. Anything can be there.
Okay, and then sir, I go to Rishika and then I tell my problem. And then what is the product name?
Probiotic.
Probiotic. Okay, sir. Bye.
Yeah, start. Interaction between Sri Lakshmi and Rishika.
Rishika, do you have any company name or something like that?
I'm sorry?
Do you have any company name or anything like that?
Venus?
Venus.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi.
Hello, is this a Venus treatment center? Hello?
What's the problem?
I am having a lot of stress with my works in my office, so I wanted to cure it with a medicine.
Have you consulted a doctor yet?
No, I haven't.
Okay, so I'll give you a medicine. It cleans your body so it can reduce your toxic inside you. So it might reduce.
Like, when should I have the medicine?
Every morning.
Every morning? How many months? Is this 1 week or
2 weeks.
2 weeks? Okay, thank you.
But you are not telling that is probiotic, right, Rishika?
No, sir.
There are probiotic and prebiotic, two different medicines like oral medicines produced from California. They will file a case against Rishika. Add something else. Pro Vital Biotech or something like that.
Okay, sir.
Vital, add the word vital so that it becomes giving energy. If that is what you are doing. And as Rishika is an advertising person, you must talk more than the patient. And Sri Lakshmi doesn't look tired. She looks so energetic. I don't know. I think you should all switch from doctor to patient that role. Rishika can be the patient and Sri Lakshmi can be the doctor and Aparna can be the doctor. Harini can be the permanent patient. Okay.
Sir, is it Promactin?
Any other name? See, when you use terminologies, just check on the internet. Better not to use the same terms, no? Somebody should not cut only that portion and then use it. Anyway, Sri Lakshmi is not asking the medical name, so no problem. You can only say that vital oral tablet or maybe vital tablets, vital capsules which we are giving. It's a herbo, mineral, Ayurvedic, homeo, biopathic and everything mixed, Siddha mixed medicine, which is a new product which came during the COVID. Everybody is feeling. You should talk like this, yeah. Have you seen people talking in the bus? How do they sell items, in India? Non-stop nonsense you should tell. Yeah, for every problem you can use it. Your problem, no, let it, Sri Lakshmi don't ask how much time. You should use it anytime. You can keep it in the store and then use it for every problem which you have. Don't ask Sri Lakshmi how many times I should use it, when should I use it. Whenever you have pain, you take it immediately, you will go.
Sir, am I contacting Rishika through phone, through a call?
Otherwise, wow.
Okay.
That can be a video call, no? Otherwise, it doesn't come on to the scene. Every call, let it come on video call.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Sion, is clear?
For Aparna, after consulting me and taking
See, there are
medicine,
three.
she won't be cured, right?
Then what Aparna will do?
I actually had an idea for that. She cannot go to Rida because it's a psychological problem. So she could be a religious person, and if anyone here can play a double role,
Where is Siddharth?
like
What is Siddharth's job?
uh,
What is Diya's job? Diya is the one who is advertising balm?
balm, yeah.
Okay, then Siddharth?
I don't know about that.
All of you can suggest something? Anybody can suggest something?
Yeah, for that I had an idea. Like, Aparna could be a religious person who believes that bad energy is the thing that's making her feel depressed. So she could go to a, what is it, like a puja kind of thing.
Yeah, so you have like for Muslim, like blah.
Some kind of Baba or something.
So Siddharth can be the Baba. Yeah, he always in the red room only anyway. Okay. Then later she comes to Harini, and then Harini also refers to Pallavi.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it clear, Rida?
Yes, sir. So me and Harini both together will call Pallavi.
Yeah. Maybe Rida and Harini can consult each other and decide also. We have this problem. Let us think that let us give solutions. We are also in fatigue. What do you do? Maybe Rida can ask Harini or Harini can ask Rida. Or in consultation, you see, let us meet our old friend Pallavi. She will have some solution. And then she says, yeah, people used to come to me and then I used to cure them with the singing and we will have satsang. That is more important. Let us all together. The major problem is we are all alone. That is why we do it. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Yes.
So where is my role?
Me, Rida and Pallavi. You were the one who was speaking about how illness and
That how that is introduced. Will Pallavi see that video and then say that yeah, there is a solution and this is what I think
yeah.
more disease Pallavi should tell. Harini should tell only when Harini is asked. I am asking Pallavi.
Yes.
Okay, so you will see the video and say that no, it is not a disease, the illness, that is disease which is causing problem. And then I was listening to that, and then I was thinking about it. That the right time when Rida and Harini contacted Pallavi. So that should come just before that.
So,
Yeah.
so about your book, like, so you can suggest.
Not able to hear.
So what about your goal?
That is what I am saying to Pallavi.
Like, I was thinking that so you can suggest about Pallavi and Rita, like contact you for the info.
Actually, that is there, that Pallavi herself can do that.
Okay. Yes.
Virtually I am coming. That's it on the video. Is that okay, Pallavi?
Sir, I'm not clear with it.
Yeah, you are a person who looks at such talks and then listen to that and then found that disease is different from this thing, and then Rida and you and Harini are all friends. The three of you are friends. So you had a casual discussion, or Rida had a casual discussion, or you used to have satsang, in which you are sharing it and then saying, yeah, let us then connect all the patients, and then let us have a satsang in which we will sing and then play that video. This is what we have seen. Is it okay for? No, not necessarily the whole thing. You can listen to that.
Sir, the video.
So that everybody can have a video, look at it parallelly or independently at your own places, right?
Sir, is it the video about the difference of illness and disease?
Yeah, 2016 wala, which is in English.
So which is the song Pallavi singing?
Sir, you had said about love using it. So is this fine?
No, but maybe Rida and Harini and you can have that small bit which you are singing earlier. But for the others, they are all youngsters, na? So there has to be a difference. They are doctors, the rest of them are young people. So for
sir, I
the,
have to be
yeah, that don't play it full, but a small bit to show that, Rida and Harini says, yeah, it's very good, that song is very good. That can be the first one. Then the Dear Zindagi for the rest of the people. Don't use the same thing for everybody, So it also conveys a message. You must also give the taste of the generation has to be understood, right?
Yes.
And maybe Aparna will contact Harini, or Harini will contact Aparna in between and say that all of you can be connected to at the last scene. Everybody and Dear Zindagi. The doctor, patient, everybody. Is it clear? Okay? Or
Yes, sir.
so everybody one word.
Yeah.
What is that you feel? See, the idea is not drama. The idea is I want all of you to be active in anything given. What is lacking? Probably you are not taking that. Yeah, I wanted to ask, but she told me, she didn't tell me. All that she told me, she didn't tell me. He told me, he didn't tell me, and all should go. What is that you have done is what you should tell. So then you will feel, yeah, I should have done it, I did not do it. Let in your life not have such situations to tell anybody, oh, I should have done, I didn't do it. That character should go. You are not like that. You are my children who are most active in the group. There are a lot of people, others, who did not react. I am weeding out, throwing out many people like this. They did not ask the right question at the right time. Probably they did not react. They did not react at the right time. Then I am not. So at least you should prove that, yeah, you are not like that. No? There is somebody else who says, now let me present. I said the presentation is over 3 weeks back. Now don't no presentations. We have jumped from there to something else. The cooking action and something else. Somebody wanted last moment. Somebody wanted. Let me cook something. Yeah, you cook and eat. We don't want your video. You understood? When assignment is given, this is a digital world. If you don't react on that day, that moment, you lost that world. That is what is going to happen in your academics. That's what is going to happen in the world. Immediate action and pro-action. That is what I don't know. You have not seen what the last video which I posted. Rishika gave a beautiful history class. How many of you have seen that? Aparna, have you seen?
Yes, sir.
Where is the comment? I told you, if you have seen the YouTube, I will only believe when there is comment there. Sri Lakshmi said you have seen. Where is the comment there? Did you put a comment on Rishika's class?
No, sir.
No, then what? Pallavi, have you seen Rishika's class?
Sir, I saw, but I did not.
Okay, tell me what is that she taught class? That was regarding, what was the title of the topic?
Sir, it was Slave Dynasty.
Eh?
Sir, it was about Slave Dynasty.
Good girl. Yeah. Rida has seen?
Sir, no, sir, because I thought I can watch it another day. I know that.
See, what I will tell you, when you postpone to some other day, that you believe that today there is nothing going to come new in your life. You understood? Yesterday I finished a talk. By night I edit that and kept it. Then only I will start today. If I see that I will edit it tomorrow, that means I am not going to do anything new today. There is no tomorrow. There is only today. How do I know Dr. TPS is going to leave tomorrow? Is there a guarantee that I can do tomorrow? If I cannot do today, I cannot do tomorrow also. So every day you must become too busy. I am sure all of you have sufficient time. It is not that you don't have time. You are not very active, then you will. I am not saying that you are not. There are much worse people. But don't look at worse people. You must look at the best fellows around. You must become much better than that. Because that is what is going to happen from. That is why we have the new education policy is going to give flexible. Every day I am posting something. I am not seeing any one of you giving some comment or looking at it or sharing it. It all depends on what is your priority. If something else is your priority, then yeah, I have nothing to tell you. This is the time. You have only few more days before the holidays getting over. And we started almost July 7th. Almost 1 month is over. My job is over. And I mean slowly coming down in the interaction or giving assignments, no messages. Then you are independent. That is what I believe. There has to be some change in you which made you to become yourself. Aparna joined quite late, but I'm sure if you look at whatever happened in the sequence, you will know how we progressed, what all that we have done. It's not a small thing. In 1 month we did so much. Right? There are some people independent, no, they wanted to do, there is somebody who wanted to talk on something. I said, no, the time is over now. Because that time you should do it. That's only what I'm saying. Okay, anything more?
Could the scenes be told by numbers in order?
That is how it is to be. You have to tell that this is scene number 1. Whatever we have discussed now, immediately what should happen? You should type in that what is the scene number 1, this. The person, I am not worried about what comes in between. That discussion you can decide in mutually. Or maybe that you can discuss later. First thing, scene number 1, Diya comes with a balm. That was advertisement. Or maybe Rishika, it was independent. Rishika is coming with this. and that will be heard or maybe seen or WhatsApp. They contact, they fix an appointment and then have a discussion. Person number X and Y discusses together. So Dia talks to Sion, Rishika talks to Sri Lakshmi, and parallelly this can happen. Aparna is talking to Siddharth on some rituals and all that, and that doesn't work. She goes to Harini and then consults. Sian and Sri Lakshmi, those are not happening, so they went to Rida, and then maybe parallelly Pallavi, Rida and Harini had some contact, so they talk to each other. Then all of you are adding together, including Siddharth and Sion, everybody, Dia, everybody is being added because you are in contact. You maybe Siddharth will ask Aparna, is it your problems are solved because my ritual? Then he said it did not work, this did not work, so I went to that. So they are also telling the people who are, they are all doing marketing job and then doing something. They said, yeah, we are also tired, we are not feeling happy because no cases, no money, Daridram is there, we are all feeling hungry, ration is not coming, such problems are there. All that you can say, and then say that, got it? Is it okay?
Sir, the last one where all the patients and the doctors come. So it's on the Zoom platform, right, sir?
Say
Or,
Google Meet or Zoom or any webinar or something like that. Yeah.
So any one of them would start and then we all would join and we would take a video of that.
Yeah.
Or
That
we
you
would
can tell me.
record,
That you can tell me when you want. I can call. But before that, all the independent shootings we can finish. That meeting, whenever you want, you tell me which day you are ready. Discuss and then tell me a date. I will call you that time. But that should happen
we
in.
can send the video, right, sir?
Yeah. All that independent videos.
Just shooting.
All that independent videos you can finish maybe in next 1 or 2 days, so that 13th we can finish, or 14th or 15th we can finish. Is it okay?
Yes, sir. So what about vlogs, sir?
Huh?
The meetings with only 2 people.
That what I am saying is, those video pieces you can discuss, write down the dialogue, shoot in different places at your own place as if somebody else is there, as if you are talking. Aparna is talking to Harini, you tell this is the dialogue, then this is the dialogue. That discussion can happen in the group. Okay. Then immediately you put saying that this is what is going to happen. That last video we can post it probably on 15th. We can have that Google Meet in which that Pallavi's session can be there. Otherwise, Pallavi can send that song to Rida and Harini, the first one, the first song. Then they can listen.
Yes, sir.
That is also over. Only the Dear Zindagi part meeting together can be there, and everybody jumps and dances. That's it.
Yeah.
Fine. So that can be on 15th, that I can call. So we will see you only on 15th. Until then, you keep posting your videos. If you need correction, second trial, third trial and all that, you can do it. But post it, or maybe who will edit it? Somebody will edit. Post it in the group so that everybody knows this is my portion, that is another portion. Post it in the group only, so that everybody knows where is the question. Maybe Aparna can put the question and then Harini can post the answer. That way all the sequence will be there. So post everything in that group so that the group shows the whole sequence at a stretch. Then you have to put the scene number and all that. Let me post the scene numbers now. Do you want me to post the scene numbers?
Yes.
Yes.
Huh? This is what actually the crux of writing. So I am putting A1 as the first sequence. I will only say who are all there? Dia and Sion. Okay. And scene number B1 will be Rishika and Sri Lakshmi. Correct? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, at least those people should tell yes. C1 will be Aparna, Siddharth. This Siddhartha should agree, and then D1 will be Rida, Sian. Correct?
Yes, sir.
When auto correction Sian has become soon. Sian and same doctor. See, number D2 came doctor. Rida with whom? Rida with Sri Lakshmi, right?
Yes, sir.
Sri Lakshmi is not agreeing. I am not
Yes,
hearing
sir.
the sound. Yeah, I am not seeing you. I am only hearing your sound. Then E1 will be. So you should put these numbers so that the sequence is understood. Got it? That's how the number will be done generally. Aparna with the Harini. And then F1 will be Pallavi, Rida, and Harin. Okay? And then G1 will be Aparna talking to Siddharth, inviting him here, and the same sequence. Sri Lakshmi will be talking to whom?
Sir Rishika?
Yeah, will be talking to Rishika.
So, sir, I will invite her to the meeting also.
Yeah, you will tell that we are meeting. So actually Rida, Harini and these things happens. They will decide that we are going to send messages to our patients. We will meet on so and so day, right? Decide meet patient all meet decision. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Message should go. That will be F2. That will be the sequence. Okay. Apart from the discussion, what is happening? All meet message. You say that on August 15th we will meet. Fine. So
Yes, sir.
in between, Aparna Siddharth is over. Sri Lakshmi Rishika is over. And this person. You know why am I putting H1, B1, C1 and all that? So in between the bits can be added H2, H3, H4, H5, so that the numbering becomes easier. You don't have to renumber the whole thing. If you put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 10, if I have to add something in between, what will happen? The whole number will go. These are all the tricks you have to learn. You understood? Now I1 is Diya to whom? Sion. That's also over. So everybody is in. Aparna talked to Siddharth, Sri Lakshmi talked to Rishika, Diya talks to Sion. All that will become August 15th, right? So that's all. Then there has to be F2. Fine.
Yeah, fine.
Sir, the message of the whole drama should be told by someone in the last meeting, the 15th, right?
I didn't get.
So the message of the whole drama, the movie should be told by someone in the last meeting on 15th.
Yeah, that can be there. That what it shows is that maybe each one of you can put your views. We understood that every one of you can say we understood these are problems in life. That has to be casually you speak. You don't by heart everything and then say that. Maybe you should have that in mind. Okay. Saying that this is what it shows. People have problems at different places, at different ways. Everyone who is a professional, student, doctors, singers, everybody has problems. They all result into just the mind. That's what happens. That day we will have a casual discussions on 15th along with that your joy and all that. Then we will see how we can mix it and put them together. Let this sequence be over. Then we can think about the last one later. So this you must finish by next 3 days. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
By 13th. By 13th doesn't mean 13th only you will do it. From today onwards it should start and then finish at the earliest. So I just posted. Fine? This is what I expected from you through discussions in the group, which was not happening. So somebody wanted to have a call. Then I thought immediately, this is how I work. When you asked for a call, did I react immediate or not?
Yes, sir.
This is what I want you to do, immediate reaction. Bye bye. Exactly 1 hour. We met exactly 1 hour. Fine?
Yes,
Bye.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Yes.
Bye, sir.
Bye.